Grand Rising. I am all, as in full of life, and this is a new segment of Centenarian Fun. We are a learning community, and as such, let's go ahead and share some of the free classes that we've learned about online. These classes are on Udemy, 13 of them. I got those from Josh from the Code Self-Study community, and he shared these classes with us. You can come and check out the list on the awesomewebstore.com website. You can chat here with me if you feel so inclined. Go ahead and send a message. But let's go ahead and get to these classes. Again, thank you, Josh, with Code Self-Study for sharing this information. So first we got the Python game development, build 5 professional games class. We have Python network programming for network engineering. We have complete web application penetration testing. This is one I'm interested in. Also, all these classes are not in English. So if you are a non-native English speaker, definitely maybe check these classes out if someone translates this video so that you understand it. I'm working on my Spanish. Be patient with me. Here's a class about learn all about Bitcoin and blockchain. This one is in Hindi and simple English. We have React, the complete guide with React Hook Redux for 2021. We have React Native Expo for multi-platform mobile app development, Vue.js and Firebase. We have complete modern JavaScript, Firebase Bootcamp for beginners, complete progressive web app bootcamp. This one is from October of last year, but still should be relevant. We have complete Node.js course with Express, Socket.io, and MongoDB. I did something like this, if not last year, the year before. Not a course, but learned how to use sockets with Node.js and MongoDB. Visual Studio Code. This one would be a good one to use and learn about. I use VS Code, but I don't know all the ins and outs of the tool. And learn advanced Bootstrap 4. That could be useful. Definitely want to check that out. And then Agile Kanban for software development teams. This is for managing projects and keeping track of your projects. So you may want to check that out as well. This is current as of this month. Again, check them out. You can sign up for all of them as you see I have, and take them when you have time. Or if you know which one you want to get into now, go ahead and get started and send a message out. Let folks know what you're doing. You may find that there may be others interested in learning with you. So again, this is all full of life, Centenarian Fun, the learning community. Thank you for checking out the video, and shop with us at awesomewebstore.com. It supports the movement and keeps information like this going out to you. And remember, we got 5 stickers for $10.